Good morning from Cordova Park. We have a gorgeous colonial style home for you today. Our address is 4040 Ashmore Place in Pensacola, Florida. It's 32503. This beautiful home is sitting on a corner lot as well as a cul-de-sac. We've got a brick facade, plenty of mature accents, plants, and beautifully maintained landscaping. An elegant entryway. Look inside. So this home was built in 1974. Here we are in our grand foyer. Five bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3,054 square feet. Let's get another look. Foyer and front door. And then we'll proceed through. Formal living room. Big windows, tons of natural light. Giving way to formal dining room. I'm told by the present owners that they extended this dining room out 2 additional feet to make for extra space for your formal dinner parties, Thanksgivings, what have you. Beautiful kitchen, all redone. Granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a pantry. And the luxury vinyl on the floors throughout the home. Pretty breakfast nook overlooking the backyard. And here we are in the family room or den. Fireplace, built-ins. A lot of traditional details in this home. Crown molding among them. Hallway here. Bathroom. This is a full bath, walk-in shower and commode. Everything loops around, we come full circle. So this hallway will bring us to our entry point. Also, additional bedroom. This is the only bedroom downstairs. Speaking of, let's take a peek upstairs. Pardon me in the mirror. Wood treads on the staircase here are wood or oak. Of course they were oak. And that luxury vinyl continues upstairs as well. So we're going to start to the right and loop around. Additional bedroom. All of these bedrooms are generously sized. This is a full bath as well. Granite countertop, shower tub combo. Commode, original tile on the bathroom floor in there. Another additional bedroom. Extra storage in there, attic access. our final additional bedroom. Very spacious. Tons of room in here. And then master bedroom. So we have 2 closets. On this side, tons of windows and natural light. Plenty of room for your king size bed, as well as just comfortable space to walk around. And our master bathroom. Same granite top on the vanity, luxury vinyl, and then the wet areas, that original tile on the floor, and another shower tub combo, and a walk-in closet there. Every bit of this home is spacious, clean, lots of fresh updates. Now we're going to take a look in the backyard. So as we enter or exit, everyone look at it. Covered section of the deck. To the right, open deck. Access to the family room or den there. We've got shade, we've got grass. Step down to the next level. Deck into lanai and this crystal clear in-ground pool. Camellias, we've got holly, got the English ivy, everything here has been lovingly maintained. Just ready for you to call it home. Sitting on 0.3142 of an acre. So again, we are here at 4040 Ashmore Place in Pensacola, 32503. Come fix your eyes on this one.